In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add vector art in Wix. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will manage the layout, visuals, and design elements for your page. Once the editor is fully open, go to the left side of the screen and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This menu gives you access to many different items that you can place on your website, including images, text, shapes, and decorative graphics. From the Add Elements panel, choose Decorative. This section contains visual items that are useful for styling your page and making the design feel more polished. Inside Decorative, click Vector Art. Wix includes a built-in library of vector graphics that you can use directly on your site, which makes this a simple way to add icons, shapes, or artistic elements without needing to upload anything yourself. At this point, you can browse through the available categories if you want to explore different styles. If you already have something specific in mind, you can also use the search bar to find a particular icon or shape more quickly. This is especially helpful if you are trying to match a certain theme or add a graphic that supports the content on your page. Once you find the vector art you want to use, click on it to add it to your page. Wix will place it directly into the editor so you can see how it looks in your design. After adding it, you can adjust its placement as needed so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. Try to position it in a way that supports the overall layout and does not overcrowd the page. Next, click Design to customize the appearance of the vector art. This is where you can change its color or adjust the opacity. Changing the color can help the graphic match your branding or page style, while opacity can be useful if you want the vector art to look softer or blend more subtly into the background. Small design adjustments like these can make a big difference in how professional the page looks. When you are happy with the result, click Publish. This will make your changes live so visitors can see the updated version of your site. That covers everything you need to know.